Welcome back to the channel, guys. Click like, subscribe for continuing content. This is the Amazon FBA step by step before you purchase from anybody. Okay, so the big thing in the Amazon industry right now, you may see in the commercials or the advertisements on many different platforms of, hey, I can build you an Amazon store, and you pay me this amount of money. I can manage your Amazon store, build you a business for you, and automate it. And then I'll take my percentages. Well, if you listen to their webinars, and I listen to all of them, I'll take a small percentage, and all you have to do is let me run it or have somebody run it and be fully automated to you. You don't have to worry about anything. We'll do all the hiring and stuff. Guys, do not fall for that. Okay, guys? Uh, there's more constructive and easier ways without you shelling out and giving out a percentage of your profits. Okay, so what these guys are doing, they're hiring something called virtual assistants or VAs. I know you may have heard of them in different industries, but there's no difference in industries for VAs. VAs work for all types of industries, such as real estate and online sales, Shopify, even ClickFunnels have people have VAs now that I've heard. So Amazon's the same way. You can have somebody do everything you want for a fraction of the price that you will pay a individual such in the United States or in Australia or UK. Uh, Most of these guys are getting virtual assistants from different countries, poorer countries or countries that's overpopulated, and these people do have a specialized skill, in finding products or help managing and running Facebook ads and running different things like that. Now, me personally, don't have a VA for my Amazon business only because I like the process of finding products, and I don't have anything else to do all day when I'm out of tax season. So most of my money are as far as taxes season and being an accountant is made in the first quarter and the fourth quarter. So in between the second and third quarters, I like to ramp up my Amazon, getting ready for the first and fourth quarter. If that makes sense. So all you have to do is find these sites. You don't have to go to Fiverr. Don't go to Fiverr. I'm a big advocate of Fiverr, but for virtual assistants, do not go to Fiverr. Um, I found in certain instances, Fiverr is not productive in certain industries, and Amazon is one of them. Finding products and stuff, don't go buying stuff like that from Fiverr. The site here I have, another site called Upwork. You can look in my video section and just type in Upwork, and then you'll find the structure and how to work on Upwork. But what I like to do is go to the Philippines. The Philippines are it's very these guys are very astute, guys and gals I should say. It's very astute. They been running a lot of businesses for big name entrepreneurs and big name people and big name companies. They go to the Philippines because the unlike a lot of Indians or Indian based schools, or they go through actual course in an actual school to become a virtual assistant. If that makes sense. They just not kind of doing it on their own and then kind of figuring it out. No, they actually goes to academies and universities to study how to help American based or English based businesses or Western businesses. Um, they're multifaceted, multi-talented, and the great thing about this one is they actually have a Sellers Essential Academy. So it's designed for the new people like you, to actually show your VA step by step. Now, most of these guys already know what to do, so you don't really have to pay for this, but this is more for your understanding of how to, excuse me, set up your VA. Okay, so if you want to go through that, that's $79. The cost of doing PH jobs online. onlinejobs.ph. You type that in the search bar, you'll get this. You create an account, and once you can have a free account. The only thing that's different from the free account is that you can't. You can post a job, but you can't answer the people that's actually looking to start the job. Okay. Um, yeah. So I did make a demo one for you guys. So I did do an Amazon one, um, just detailing that I need a lister or a research person to find profitable products. I had 55 applicants. I actually had to stop it, um, only because I'm not really looking for a virtual assistant. I was just doing it for this uh for this video, and actually overnight I got 55 people that hit me up and wanted to start, and I just feel bad because I was just doing it for instructional purposes as far as you find automation. Now, what you would do is just once you pay for the subscription, it's $69 a month. Now, what I would do with that is add a caveat. And what's so great about online jobs PH is per month, but once you find your workers and you maybe get them to agree to do PayPal or whatever um, type of payment system, you can cancel your subscription, and then when you need a new job, you can turn it right back on without them hassling you or emailing you to start back up, or taking money out of your account, making you recurring payments. So you can actually go back into your account, say, "Hey, I hired somebody. I don't need your services anymore. Thank you." Boom. So what you would do is, all you have to do, guys, is, again, you just post a job. There we go. So all you would do is just put, "I'm looking for an Amazon researcher, Amazon, anything Amazon, Amazon automation." That's a good title right there. And type of employment, you would just go down here, and it would just be full time, part time, or freelance. For the start, I would say, for just to get your feet wet, and you want somebody to, and just say you don't feel like going through the whole process of what I've done in the first 15 videos, you can just actually just have a full time person do everything I just showed you. Okay, you can actually, and in that university actually showed, in that anniversary a university I was showing you on the first screen, they actually detail that too. So you can actually, I went through the step by step, but if you could just say in your description, "I want somebody to look for drop shipping stuff on this site. Don't use retail suppliers and don't use Chinese suppliers," and you will get um, amount of hits saying that they detail this. Now, guys, there are people here that's not really qualified for that job. A lot of these people might be just trying to cross reference and try to get a job. Okay, so you got to actually do your due diligence, and how you do that is, okay, you will want anything with ID proof over 70, so that way you won't get ripped off. Okay, you want the primary skills to be, it'll be, okay, advertising and sales, advertising, and those two things, or virtual assistants right here. So those three things, you can find somebody with that. Maybe customer service, administration, but a lot of these guys are going to respond just to the title, and once they see the title and the description of what you put, and so very, and just like if you were trying to get a job, you have to be very descriptive of what you want these guys and gals to do. If you want them to just come in and set up your store, put that in. I want you to come in and set up a store. If you want them to come in and set up a store, give you products, do that. If you want them to come in, set up your store, do the products, do the advertising, do anything like that, put it in your job description. Now, um, so they go in currencies right here. So what are you willing to pay them an hour? They can work. A lot of them work for all the way up to $7 an hour. Okay, so $7 an hour, you're gonna get top of the class, top of the class. And when you say full time, it's 40 hours. Okay, so sometimes you find somebody for $3 that's just as good. You just gotta kind of do your own process, your own interview process of how you want to interview them. When you interview them, ask them for references, ask them for you know, examples of them running an actual store, or data. And you want when you're doing, and you're actually an employer now, guys. So you want to everything that you think your employer will ask you, you need to ask them. Okay, and then you put your salary out there for $3 an hour, up to $7 an hour, depending on how much get you're willing to spend, and it's far cheaper than giving up 10 to 20% of your profits and then having somebody else do this for you. Okay, guys, um, and then you will post a job. They do have different stuff. So they have different jobs, and maybe you say you're going through the 15 videos saying, I don't want to do Amazon, I want to do something different. Um, something different online. Like I want to do affiliate marketing. You can post a job with affiliate marketing. If you want to do Shopify, you can do Shopify. If you want to do eBay, you want to do eBay. You want to do real estate, you want to do real estate. You want them to help you start a blog, you can start a blog. This site is incredible, guys, and this is what people are using. They're using this and Upwork and maybe another site to get you guys to say, "Oh, it's fully automated. It's fully." This is what they're doing. They're going to Upwork. They're going to on onlinejobs.ph. They're going to these places and they're paying these people the same amount of money you can pay them, but you're paying the guru this amount of money to do it, and it's really these guys that's actually running it. So again, you don't have to just use it for Amazon if you don't want. Um, this is a very good thing for you. Just put in your job title, Amazon automation, and then just do your description after following the 15 videos that I already give you. I've given you all the good juicy stuff. Now, um, if you want to know more about Jungle Scout, go to Jungle Scout channel. I didn't go into deep into Jungle Scout. I did do a reference on some of the earlier videos, but if you need to go into Jungle Scout, go into Jungle Scout, and then they'll show you, and they'll show you everything you need to know about Jungle Scout, and then you can actually put that in your job description. Must be fluent in Jungle Scout and know how to run Jungle Scout, or know how to run Sell Who, or any other the Keeper graph, or know how to find products and different things like that. Okay, guys, this is what they mean by Amazon FBA automation. All they're doing is going to sites like this, having somebody from a third world country. In this case, I like the Philippines because they actually have universities and classes on it. Uh, and then they're just posting that job, paying that person $7 an hour, and you giving this person $2,500 to $10,000 in your money, plus profits on the backside. So, um, if you guys willing to do that, okay. But then this is the easier circumvent way to do it. Now, the next videos, I did drop shipping. I'm not a big fan of drop shipping. I don't do them. But you can actually have these guys find drop shippers for you. That's not, that's in the terms of services. So you can actually find these. This is a great site for you not to just say you don't want to do all this stuff. You're too busy, but you want to earn money online. These people are very fluent, and they can find stuff for you that I can't even explain to you. Okay, guys, click like, subscribe to the channel. The next series in this Amazon FBA, I'm gonna actually show you how to make your own products. Click like, subscribe. See you in the next video.